I went to a sex magic workshop and I learned a few things. It was actually a question and answer discussion, very, very useful and thoughtful discussion. One of the things that I was thinking about with sex magic is how you can take manifestations with a partner and you can essentially do something in a physical activity. And I had read a book and I got really interested in sigils, in writing or drawing on a partner's body. You can draw two hearts. Two hearts symbolizes friendship. You can draw a drop of water, like a droplet, and that symbolizes purity. You can write words onto a partner, peace, wealth. So the thing that I didn't think about and the thing that I learned is that there are boundaries that are not necessarily physical, energetic boundaries that come with practices like these. When I work with people, the people almost always, usually, don't know each other. And someone can cast a spell on someone versus someone casting a spell with someone. And there is a danger with that. You can create sigils that make binds to that person, obedience, sigils that are enslaving a person. And I was like, wow, that is really dangerous and crazy. And there are a lot of consequences that come with these actions, especially with people that you don't know. So I would never have someone draw or write on a person's body if I did a sex magic practice in a group. I think that there are ways in which you can implement sigils on yourself and carry that on yourself into the group, something that you want to manifest, something that you want to bring into a group exercise in a Tantra workshop, in a Tantra class, for example.